Let's talk about your money and Microsoft. Whether you're just starting your investment journey or looking to sharpen your financial strategy, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore how smart investing can help you build a brighter, more secure future, no matter your background or experience level. Welcome. Today, we're diving into how you can make your money work for you by investing in strong, reliable companies. Investing isn't just for Wall Street pros. It's for anyone who wants to grow their savings and achieve their dreams. The key is knowing where to put your money so it grows safely and steadily over time. One of the best examples? Microsoft. This company has become a household name, and for good reason. It's not just a tech giant, it's a leader in innovation, with a track record of rewarding its investors. Many see tech companies as risky, but Microsoft stands apart as a global powerhouse in cloud computing, AI, and more. Its business model is built on stability and growth, making it a favorite among both new and seasoned investors. Microsoft's reach extends into nearly every aspect of our digital lives, from software to cloud services, and even artificial intelligence. What makes Microsoft special for investors isn't just its technology. It's the way it shares profits with you through dividends. These regular payments are a sign of a company's financial health and commitment to its shareholders. Over the years, Microsoft has consistently increased its dividends, rewarding those who stick with it for the long haul. We'll break down what blue-chip stocks are, how dividends work, and why these factors matter when you're choosing where to invest. Blue-chip stocks like Microsoft are known for their reliability, strong performance, and ability to weather economic storms. And we'll show you why Microsoft's approach is a game changer for building long-term wealth. Imagine having a steady stream of income, even when the market is unpredictable. That's the power of investing in companies that pay dividends and continue to grow. No finance degree needed, just a willingness to learn how to take control of your financial future. We'll guide you step by step, making these concepts easy to understand and apply, so you can start making confident decisions about your money. We'll also touch on the tax advantages of dividends, a crucial but often overlooked part of maximizing your returns. Understanding how dividends are taxed can help you keep more of what you earn and plan smarter for the future. By the end, you'll see why owning Microsoft isn't just about stock price. It's about steady, growing income that helps you reach your goals. Let's get started and unlock the secrets to making your money work harder for you. Understanding the basics. Blue-chip stocks are the giants, large, stable, and financially sound companies with a proven track record. Microsoft is a classic blue chip, a leader in technology, with products and services essential to modern life. These companies weather economic storms and deliver consistent results. Investing in blue chips like Microsoft is a safer, more reliable way to grow your wealth. When you buy a share, you own a piece of a world-class business. And that's what allows Microsoft to reward you with dividends. Let's talk about dividends. A dividend is a portion of a company's profits paid directly to shareholders, real cash, deposited into your account. Not all companies pay dividends, but those that do, like Microsoft, are often mature and financially strong. Dividends provide steady income, separate from stock price changes. For investors, especially those seeking income, this is a huge benefit. Reinvesting dividends lets you buy more shares, compounding your returns over time. Microsoft's long history of paying and increasing dividends makes it a standout. Dividends are typically paid quarterly, giving you regular, predictable income. It's a simple, powerful way to share in the company's success. That's why Microsoft is a dividend star. Let's break down exactly how Microsoft rewards its shareholders with real cash in their pockets. When you invest in a company like Microsoft, you're not just hoping the stock price will go up. You're also signing up for a steady stream of income, thanks to dividends. Microsoft pays dividends every quarter, 4 times a year, like clockwork. These payments are scheduled and reliable, so investors can plan ahead and know when to expect their next payout. For example, If the dividend is 83 cents per share and you own 100 shares, you get $83 deposited directly into your account. The more shares you own, the more you receive, so your income can grow as your investment grows. But there's a catch. To receive the dividend, you must own the stock before the ex-dividend date. This is a key date set by the company, and if you buy the stock after this date, you'll miss out on that quarter's payment. The record date is when Microsoft checks its list of shareholders to see who qualifies for the dividend. Then, on the payable date, the money is actually sent out, showing up as cash in your brokerage or bank account. This entire process repeats every 3 months, creating a dependable cycle of income. It's like getting a paycheck from your investment over and over again. The process is transparent and predictable, exactly what income-focused investors are looking for. You can track every step, from the announcement to the payment, with no surprises. No matter what the stock price does day to day, you get paid. Even if the market is volatile, your dividend arrives on schedule, providing peace of mind and stability. That's the power of dividend investing. It's a strategy that can help you build wealth steadily, without having to worry about the ups and downs of the market. With Microsoft, you know what you're getting and when. The company's track record of consistent payments makes it a favorite among investors who value reliability. Over time, these regular dividends can add up, helping you grow your wealth and reach your financial goals, one payout at a time. A growing dividend is even better than a steady one. Microsoft has a long history of increasing its dividend year after year, a sign of real financial strength. Its diverse business model, from cloud computing to software subscriptions, generates steady, recurring revenue. Microsoft's investments in AI and new technologies fuel future growth. This means more cash flow for both innovation and rewarding shareholders. When you invest in Microsoft, you're choosing a company with the power to grow its dividend reliably. That's why it's a cornerstone for anyone seeking dependable, rising income. Microsoft's dividend growth is a promise of shared success. Now, let's talk taxes, because when it comes to investing, what you keep in your pocket is just as important as what you earn. Many people focus on the returns, but taxes can quietly eat away at your gains if you're not careful. That's why understanding how your investments are taxed is crucial. After all, the goal is to maximize your after-tax income, not just your pre-tax returns. Microsoft's dividends are usually qualified, which is a big deal for investors. Qualified dividends are taxed at much lower rates than your regular salary or the interest you might earn from a savings account. For most people, that means paying just 0% or 15% in federal taxes on these dividends, sometimes even less than you'd pay on long-term capital gains. That's a significant difference compared to ordinary income tax rates, which can climb as high as 37% for top earners. This tax break means every dollar of Microsoft's dividend is worth more to you than a dollar of interest from a bank or bond. For example, if your taxable income is under $48,350 as a single filer, you could pay zero federal tax on qualified dividends. That's right, zero tax. It's a huge advantage, especially for retirees or those living on investment income. Even if you earn more, most people will pay just 15% on qualified dividends, which is still far less than most other types of income. This tax advantage was designed to reward long-term investors who hold on to their shares, encouraging people to build wealth over time. Compare that to the interest you'd earn from a bank account or a bond, which is taxed at your full ordinary income rate, often much higher. With Microsoft's dividend, more of your money stays with you, compounding and growing year after year. Tax efficiency is a huge part of why Microsoft's dividend is so powerful for building wealth. The less you pay in taxes, the more you have to reinvest. By keeping more of your money, you give your investments a real chance to grow faster and work harder for your future. To get the lower tax rate, there's one simple rule: the holding period. You must own the stock for more than 60 days within a 121-day window around the ex-dividend date. This rule is easy for long-term investors. You'll meet it without even trying. It's designed to reward real owners, not short-term traders. For most, just buy and hold, and you're set. This encourages patience and a long-term mindset, the foundation of real wealth. The tax code literally rewards you for being disciplined. With Microsoft, meeting this rule is a breeze. Not all income investments offer the same tax benefits. REITs, MLPs, and bank interest are usually taxed at higher, ordinary income rates. A high yield from a REIT might look good, but after taxes, you keep less than with a qualified dividend from Microsoft. MLPs and other alternatives often come with complex tax rules and paperwork. Microsoft's dividends are simple, efficient, and tax-advantaged. Always look beyond the headline yield. After-tax returns matter most. With Microsoft, you get growth, income, and tax savings. That's a winning formula for building long-term wealth. Let's bring it all together. Microsoft is a blue-chip leader, offering steady, growing dividends and powerful tax advantages. Its financial strength and innovation mean your income can rise year after year. Qualified dividends mean your money works harder for you, compounding faster. Compared to other investments, Microsoft stands out for both quality and tax efficiency. Building wealth is about smart, long-term choices, and Microsoft embodies that. For anyone serious about a secure financial future, Microsoft is a true dividend star. You're approved to take control of your future.